Hi teacher and classmate. Initial presentation de English 2. Entonces, primero, el Task 8 final activity. Entonces, my name is Angelina Muñoz Rojas de English 2. Personal information. My name is Angelina Muñoz Rojas. I am from Colombia. I live Pitalito Huila. I am 19 years old. I am studying the University UNED. Studying the foreign language and the emphasis the English. On Life Vitalito de Paraíso La Palma, there is Kate Place. You can read the place. My neighbors are very friendly for of us the whole life on this spot the will God is Paraíso. Personality. My hobbies are going for a ride on my bike, watching series, down Netflix, Amazon, and reading books and study. My positive qualities are honesty, kindness, responsibility, community, dedication. My negative qualities are stubbornness, anger, bad temper. Next, week routines on the plan the daily routine. My daily routine is I get up at the 6 of the clock, I brush my teeth, I take a bath, I go to breakfast, I go to study, I am come back for lunch. In the afternoon, I done my university work. I watch TV and I go to sleep at the 10 o'clock. On weekends, you usually for a walk in the morning. I go to mass. Then in afternoon, we go to eat at the restaurant and they go out anywhere near. Net. An important person in your life. Mother is Diana Rojas. And she is the most especially person and the most dedication to her family. She is favorite person in this world. I admire her a lot in the every. She is for me. I love her so much. She is blonde, white or skinny, white hair. She is dedicated, responsibility person and the house loaded with fun. Net. Share some expenses. The time I was happy was when my parents and the one on vacation Medellin, Antioquia, since I saw many places and the more beautiful because we went and the Christmas and the every time was very beautiful at the field sad. We only day he made my brother fall to his bike. He is sick and the day to take my heel to hospital. Dreams and future plans. I am future after graduation. I would like to have at the English academic in which I can teach boys and girls and this news and the girls language. I plan to live in Medellin since it is a city of opportunity. I do not want to hobbies at the moment and in don't hope in the market. Thank you.